Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of mockups and showing you how to easily edit them in Photoshop. Mockups are a fantastic way for showcasing your designs on real-world objects like t-shirts, phones, or even billboards. But how do you get your design onto the mockup? Let's jump into Photoshop and find it out. First things first, you will need a mockup file. There are tons of free and paid options available. Once you have downloaded your mockup, just open it in Photoshop. Now, we need to create a magazine cover mockup. So, we'll need its dimensions. For that, just select the ruler tool from the toolbar and drag from one end of the width to other. As you do that, you'll see the dimensions displayed here. We'll use a round figure, in this case which is 1300. Keep this figure in mind. Now, in a similar way, we'll look for the height. The figure is 1920, so we'll keep it to 1900. Now, with the dimensions known, we'll create a rectangle of that size. From the toolbar, select Rectangle. Just click on the canvas and here type the width and height. Hit OK. Change its fill to white and stroke to none. Now, right-click on the rectangle layer and convert it into a smart object. This will make it non-destructive. Press Ctrl or Command T, right-click and choose Distort. With each point selected, adjust them at the corner of the page. When done, change its blending mode to multiply. We have created the mockup, but we need to mask out the hand first as it will overlap our design. For that, from any of the selection tool, just select the magazine page. We'll use the quick selection tool. Make sure you don't select the hand part. Press Alt or Option to deselect any area added by mistake. With the selection active, go to the rectangle layer and then click on this vector mask icon over here. This will mask out the magazine page without the hand part selected. Now, let's delete both of these numbers. Finally, it's time to add our image. Double-click on the thumbnail icon next to the Smart Object layer. This will open a separate window with the placeholder design. This is where we can replace our image. Just drag and drop or copy your file here in this window. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. Once you are happy with the placement and size of your design, hit Enter and then save it. Now, switch back to the original mockup and voila! Your design should be magically applied to the mockup looking super realistic. For a more natural look, just double-click on your layer. It will open up the blending options. Here in the Blend If section, move the white slider of the underlying layer towards left. Hit Alt or Option to break the slider and make the transition smooth. Adjust it as per your image and hit OK. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create stunning presentations of your designs using mockups in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab some mockups and have fun experimenting. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.